everyone, welcome back to the channel on this beautiful sunny day. Great day for a jump rope session, which is my first jump rope session in a week. And today I will be using a 1/4 pound cross rope, and I'm wearing the Luva barefoot minimalist shoes. If you're interested in trying either of these out or both of them out, I've provided discount links down below in the description. All right, I'm gonna get started, and I will provide some commentary afterwards for this video. Step 1 for learning this cool jump rope combination is the side straddle, where you bring your feet apart and then back together again. Step 2, after performing a side straddle with one leg, you will bring that leg behind your body. So you will practice with either your left foot first or your right foot. So you perform a side straddle, and then you bring that leg behind your body. So here I'm practicing with my left foot and also my right foot. One leg at a time. Step 3, after bringing your leg behind your body, you will then gently tap that same leg to the ground while keeping it behind your body. So here I'm performing them with my left leg first, and then I will practice with my right leg. Step 4 is combining the two movements in an alternate fashion. First, bring the left leg behind the body, and then the right leg, or vice versa. It's a very fun jump rope combination. Here is the combination in slow motion. So this is a fun jump rope move to practice and to learn. I hope you enjoy practicing this jump rope move combination. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you in the next video.